Big news coming in. This is with regard to, remember, the recent Hema Committee report and the Malayalam film industry that have faced a lot of sexual assault, exploitation, allegations. One of the CPM MLA, Mukesh, has got bail in the controversy in this case. Edavala Babu has also got anticipatory bail. So just to give you a background, anticipatory bail that has been granted for actor who's also CPM MLA and Mukesh. Ernakulam Principal Sessions Court had granted bail. Actor Edavala Babu also has got anticipatory bail. Actor, legislator Mukesh and Babu, both former General Secretary of the Association of Malayalam Movie Artists, were basically accused in assault cases, exploitation cases, and were given a pre-arrest bail on Thursday, which means they can avoid the arrest right now. Shibimol KG, my colleague, is joining me for the latest on that. Shibimol, we saw these series of one by one women, most of them anonymous, but coming forward to give out their statements and allegations. What is the reason that this pre-arrest bail, anticipatory bail, has come to these two individuals? What is happening in this case? Tell me.
Anticipatory bail has been, Mukesh was one of the first people to move the anticipatory bail. Now, after 2 rounds of hearing, in fact, this is the third hearing, and that's when the Ernakulam Principal Sessions Court has granted anticipatory bail to Mukesh, who is CPM MLA as well as a very prominent actor in the industry. Mukesh lawyers had, argued that this incident took place 10 years ago, so there's no possibility of collecting immediate evidences, which can lead to an arrest. So that means it will take some time. So the arrest shouldn't be allowed, is what Mukesh lawyers argued, and also, there's no possibility of him fleeing. Also, considering that he's an MLA, he's still a member of the Legislative Assembly. So that possibility is also not there. So he should be granted bail, is what Mukesh argued in the court, and it's a conditional anticipatory bail because he has been asked to appear before the investigative officer. Whenever the investigative officer calls him, he should remain in the state itself. A bond of 1 lakh should be paid to the court, is what the court has said. So there have been certain conditions also laid when this bail was granted. This is a relief for him, considering that, there's been growing protests against him, also demanding his resignation, and also considering that the charges that was against him was also included, it was non-bailable offences. So major relief for him, but the fact that he's still continuing as an MLA will be questioned in the coming days also.
All right, Shibimol, keep tracking the latest. Remember, a lot of reactions, allegations, claims that are coming in. A lot of actors and politicians here are saying that they'll fight back. These are all false charges. So a lot clearly is happening within the industry. But perhaps a question also now, does there need to be a reform, specifically when it comes for vulnerable artists who are caught in the net? Shibimol, thank you very much.